To Prebell with William O'Neill India. My name is Rakshakar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst, part of Market Speak India team. Before we go ahead into the podcast, the disclaimer is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. With this disclaimer, let's move on to the podcast. It is very important to understand Nifty's price volume action, as we have been emphasizing, because we can gauge the market, how the market is placed at the current moment, and also have a view on the market going forward for a short term. Yesterday's session was a very strong or constructive session for the markets. Nifty, along with the broader market indices, have rallied more than 1% higher, and the Nifty made a new all-time high, which is a very positive sign. Before that, there was low volume muted action on the Nifty's front. You can see it traded near its 21 DMA, which is a green line here. After reclaiming this 21 DMA, it found very good support, and the momentum has come in yesterday's session, especially from the banking and auto stocks. Currently, the market status is in confirmed uptrend because the Nifty is trading in all-time highs, and distribution day count is at 2. Going forward, we continue to stay in confirmed uptrend as long as Nifty doesn't reach its 50 DMA or doesn't add distribution days further. On the downside, if 50 DMA is breached, we will change the market status to under pressure, a scenario where we will be slightly cautious while adding stocks, because the probability of breakouts being successful will be on the lower side when the market status turns to under pressure or to correction. Some of the stocks which are in news and which will be under radar today are starting with HPL has issued an order worth of nearly 140 crores to supply smart meters. So definitely a positive sign for the company. So we might expect a positive opening. BPCL is also planning to increase capacity at its Cochin Coimbatore Khalol pipeline, and it will invest around more than 1100 crores of rupees in this project of capacity expansion. Again, HG Infra has received an order worth 716 crores of rupees from Central Railways. Again, a positive for the company. So all three companies have very positive news, whether on investment or whether resolve of orders. Definitely, we might see positive opening. And coming to macroeconomic data, we have August consumer inflation for India, and it came below 4%, that is 3.65% against an estimate of 3.4%. So the inflation has been higher than the estimated number. And core inflation also come above the estimate of 3.34. It came at 3.4%. Slightly a negative sign on the inflation front. Let's look into ECB's bank, what they have done. They have done the interest rate cut by 60 basis points to 3.65. And also they have cut deposit rate by 25 basis points up to 3.5. And the marginal lending rate has also been reduced by 60 basis points to 3.9%. Talking about the global market update, US market closed positive overnight. Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq have closed in the range of 0.6 to 1% higher. Asian markets, as we speak, are trading in the negative territory, but Kospi and Shanghai are trading with a minute decline, whereas Nikkei is trading with a decline of almost 0.9%. So the global cues are mixed. GIFT Nifty is also indicating a muted opening for the Nifty. Around the 25,400 level is expected. So we might see muted action on the India's market as well. For the chart of the day, we picked Havells India. It has been under our radar. And if you look at the base pattern, it has all the ingredients to become a ideal base. The base volume has completely dried up during base formation, and when it inched towards its pivot, the volume has also picked, which is a very positive sign. Let's look into what are the ratings suggesting. EPS has been very strong at 84 because of the consistent growth in the sales and profits. Price strength is slightly on the lower side below 60, but it is tend to increase as the stock breaks out from here. A by D rating is very good at A minus. Again, indication of strong accumulation happening in the stock. You can see most of the blue bars are above average volumes and red bars are below average, indicating not so much for distribution. And another key parameter is the number of funds section. You can see here clearly on the last 4 quarters, the company has been able to attract new institutional funds, indicating good support for the stock among the big institutional guys. Return on equity is also good at 17%. Overall, it is good on most of the ratings and chart wise. If it comes under, currently it is trading in the idle buy range as we speak. Yesterday it closed below above pivot. So this blue 0 to 5% is ideal range from the pivot. So as if the stock trades in this range and if the volume picks up, we might consider. And if you are also looking for fresh investments, definitely we can consider this stock as well. Thank you for joining today's pre-build. Have a good trading session.